aren't Granny's noodles. Ready? Come on,
There's a reason my name is Gas.
It's like fish diapers.
Hey, working in the countryside sounds like fun! Hilo, you're doing great!
Make way for my lady, the champion!
Hey, I'm controlling it perfectly! Oh, no, 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 no! A broken mirror! That's 7 years bad luck! You opened an umbrella inside! More bad luck!
Stop!
Pilu, are you looking for something else?
Yes, and I need my rubber chicken back.
Okay. What do I get in return?
A medal and a super duper loud horn.
Subscribe to the channel.